Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the Snapchat is not saving pictures. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Snapchat, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Snapchat is a platform for content creators who rely on the app to capture and share engaging content with their audience. When photos don't save properly, it can hinder their ability to create and share content effectively. Some users may share sensitive or important photos on Snapchat that they want to keep for personal reasons. If these photos fail to save, it could potentially compromise their privacy and security. And obviously, fixing the issue helps ensure that users can maintain control over their content and trust Snapchat to keep it secure. Now, to be able to fix Snapchat is not saving pictures, we need to hover to our mobile device and open the Snapchat app from there. Now, if you are using an Android, I need you to hover to the permissions section. If you can't find it, click on the search option and type in permission. And click on the permission manager and click on the app list. And from here, type in Snapchat. Now go to the permissions section. I need you to hover to where it says the camera. All right, and photos and videos. Now from here, I need you to click on the camera first and make sure that you allow the camera permission on Snapchat, all right? And after that, you need to hover to where it says photos and videos. I need you to do the same thing. This is very important that you allow permissions for photos and videos access for this app, okay? Now, after doing so, you might want to also go to this option. Go to storage and cache, and I need you to clear storage and clear cache for the Snapchat app because sometimes it is the one causing the problems of not saving pictures. After doing so, I need you to make sure that you have installed the latest Snapchat app because outdated could cause the problems of not saving pictures. Open Snapchat app. Once you are on the Bitmoji, I need you to hover to the cog icon settings on the upper right corner. Now, in here, you need to go to where it says permissions. All right. Click on that and try to make sure that Snapchat has the access and permitted on using the photos and videos. All right. Like auto fill your phone number or the photos. After that, make sure that you also have clear cache and data here, just to make sure that it's not causing the problems. After doing so, you might want to go here also in the support. Click on I need help and hover down to where it says contact us option. And from here, submit a request about your concern of fixing the Snapchat error of not saving photos. Click on that and click on submit. After that, you would be able to fix the error of not saving pictures on your Snapchat account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.